Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view which data points are associated with your measurements. In this project, I have this derailleur hanger, and I am interested in the flatness of this plane. Notice how this plane has some stamped text on that plane. Let me go ahead and extract the measurement, and you'll notice that my flatness is failing. Before I write this off as a bad part, let me go ahead and interrogate which data points are associated with this plane. If you're using PolyWorks 2023 or older and using this classic menu, I can select the plane in my tree, go to the Select menu, Data Points, Measure Data Points. And all data points used for that plane are now highlighted in red. Let me go ahead and clear that selection. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer and using the ribbon menu, that same selection is available in the Home tab, Select Elements, Measure Data Points, and similarly, Elements, None. So let me go ahead and zoom into that stamped text. And when I look at the measured data points, you'll see that many of the data points in that stamped text are associated with the flatness. This misrepresents the flatness of the plane. Let me go ahead and adjust the measurement parameters for that plane. And I will adjust the max angle to be a little bit tighter. Upon adjustment, you'll see that my plane is now passing its flatness. Let me go ahead and reset the selection and view which data points are now used. And you'll see, after refining my measurement parameters, the stamped text is now ignored for the plane measurement. So this is how I could view which data points are being used for my measurements. Thank you for watching.